welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. It's my friend Iqbal from Indonesia. So today we have Iftar program in university. So different university students also come. So he and his group member arranged this.
Yeah, of course.
And thank you. So I will show you what kind of iftar we have. Let's see.
Thank you so much for coming.
Making radio. Yeah, make a group so. Okay.
Posisinya gimana ya?
No.
Oh iya.
Jadi malah jangan masuk lewat 7-Eleven di sini malah. Lebih aman. day, and then he will eat some food, dinner, and usually for Muslim, we will continue for pray together. Yeah, so especially maybe special attendee, we invite you to introduce our culture or Muslim activity. Yeah. So you know what is Muslim, because we know many story, many news, bad news about Muslim. So in this activity, to have some curiosity, you can ask. Yeah, because any expert to explain to you, not like me. Yeah. And before we start for Iftar, maybe my friend, Brother Adit, can explain something about Muslim to you all. Yeah. Thank you. The time and place is
what we usually do in every Ramadan, in every this special month. Especially we want to show you how we can also make a good relationship between a Muslim and also between all of the human beings between us. So we want also to invite you to introduce you some of the basic Muslim explanation. So maybe first one, I'd like to explain to you some of the basic information about Muslim, especially about this month. Why this month is very special for us. So in a Muslim, there is also Muslim or Islam. Islam is a religion, and also there is also 5 pillars of Islam. And this pillar of Islam also define us as a Muslim. So if we are a Muslim, so we need to do these 5 pillars. So what are those? There are Shahadah. The Shahadah means we need to declare that there is only one God and Muhammad is only our prophet. And after that, we need to do a prayer. 5 daily prayer. Maybe you know Mr. Indra, your friends in here. Maybe you usually saw him. You usually see him to do a 5 daily prayer. So this 5 daily prayer actually is also a task from our God. So this is also a task from our God. That's number 2. And then third is almsgiving, or in Arabic is zakat. So this zakat means that we need to spend some of our wealth, some of our money to whom that need that. It's also make our money or our wealth to become clean. And then after that, the number 4 is fasting. So today and also this month, actually fasting is one of the 5 pillars in our religion. So fasting means that we need to, we can't eat food, we can't drink. We need also to maintain our behavior, like maintain our behavior from before sunrise until dawn. So this is what we are doing right now. So especially in this month, we need to do that because maybe if you are curious, maybe you also can find some information regarding this fasting activities for Muslims, because there's also some explanation about the health issues or something else that maybe you are very interested in it. But in here, and the last thing in the pillar of Islam is to do Hajj. Hajj means we need to go to Saudi Arabia, you know, there's a cube, you know, cube building in Saudi Arabia called Mecca, in the city of Mecca. So we need to do that if we are willing to do that, and if we have enough capacity to do that. So that's the 5 pillars of Islam. So why I explain it to you, because right now we are in the middle of the special month for us, namely Ramadan month. So after that, because maybe I want to recite one of the hadith, one of the saying of the Prophet.
Ali, just please explain what this. This is from our friend. This is Pakistan's dish. Yeah. But I don't know, so you can explain about.
It's a sweet dish.
Sweet dish.
In Pakistan, everything almost maybe it's by
So this is.
Between the shrimp paste and chili.
Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah.
Bentuknya kayak gini tapi dari sini kok. Di malam tuh. Anu. Iya aku tahu. Opak. Bukan ya? Opak. Opak ini. I know crackers from Pakistan Papa? Yeah, that's very delicious.
Yeah.
I really like it, but I cannot find it here.
Yeah, I also searching.
Em không hỏi là Papa.
Guys, so everyone party is finished, so after party, so everyone going back. So bye bye. Yeah?
You can bring.
Yeah, thank you. I have a lot of
No man is the like from Asia University.
We have one more.
Any like this lady, 1,000.